How to add Solana to your Phantom wallet. Hello guys and welcome back. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can add Solana to your Phantom wallet. So let's get started. In order to add Solana to your Phantom wallet, you need to have a trading bot set up first. So for example, you can use any trading bot such as Trojan bot or Bullx or any bot like that. So what it would do that you'll need to have tokens in your any of the trading bot, and then you can withdraw those tokens as Solana to your Phantom wallet. So for example, if you wish to add Solana from your Bullx account, so what you can do is just withdraw the amount of Solana. You can just click on withdraw and then come to Solana and click on over here. And after that, you can just click on the chain on which you wish to withdraw or receive the Solana. For example, I wish to receive Solana, so I'm just going to click on Solana. And then you can either scan the QR code from any of your trading bot, or you can copy the code or share it. So I'm just going to click on copy and then go to the specific trading bot from which I wish to import my Solana and get Solana to my Phantom wallet. And after that, just withdrawal method while withdrawing the Solana. So when you click on the address, you paste the address over there and click on send, your Solana will be transferred to your Phantom account from your trading bot. And it will take a few minutes or an hour in order to get the Solana to your Phantom wallet. But it is a safe and reliable way. And apart from the trading bots, there's also another way to add Solana to your Phantom account. So for that, click on this compass at the bottom right. In Android devices, you might be seeing a globe icon. So just click on it, and once you've clicked on it, you'll be able to see the trending sites. So just click on Jupiter. And after clicking on Jupiter, you'll be redirected to an interface known as jup.ag. So you'll be redirected to this interface, and now you can see that here under the you're selling option, USDC is selected, and here is you're buying. So what you can do, you can trade or swap your coins. Now for example, if you have USDC in your account or you have any other token than USDC, you can just click on USDC and select the token you have in your account. And once you've selected the specific coin, you can select Solana over here and then type down the USDC you wish to transfer to Solana. For example, I'm typing 10. So 10 USDC makes 0.0448 Solana. And then after that, you can just recheck it and then click on connect wallet. After that, just click on connect wallet. So you need to connect a wallet before making the transaction. So just click on Phantom. And after that, when you click on Phantom, you'll be able to convert your tokens from USDC to Solana. So there were two ways in which you can get Solana into your Phantom account. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next one.